Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 27th through December 9th, November 27th through December 1st. Excuse me. This is what we're forecasting here. We have a ridge or above normal heights here, and also the Bering Strait in Greenland. We have a ridge down here with above normal heights across much of the western and central states, and we have a trough here. This will be lifting out. We also have a trough from Alaska into the Northeast Pacific. So now we look at the models and we go to the end of the period. This will be December 1st. The pattern starts to de-amplify. We're near to above normal heights across much of the nation. But we still have our positive height anomalies here. And then we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the southwest into the plains. The west will experience a couple events of heavy precipitation with higher elevation snows. The Cascades will receive the heaviest precipitation, and rain is also forecast for the southern plains into the Mississippi Valley, and we also have another area of rain across the Northeast that might be moderate, late to moderate. Okay, now the period for November 30th through December 4th. Here we are at December 2nd. We still have a ridge here near the Aleutians, also across Greenland, the Bering Sea, and here's our trough. But we have mostly a zone of flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And we go now to the 4th. You can see the pattern flattens. Here's our trough. We have a trough also near or along the west coast. And the models are good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for a portion of the northwest near to below normal, with anomalies of 2 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 6 degrees or more are forecast. For precipitation, below normal precipitation is forecast for much of the nation, rather dry period. And the chances here with the darker brown areas will have chances of greater than 50%. And the lighter brown areas will have a chance of 30% chance of below normal precipitation. December 5th to the 9th. We have the trough that was off the west coast, kind of slides eastward, and we still have a ridge over the Gulf of Alaska. I think this is going to be an indication of change later on in the period. Got to check that out. And we also have our strong positive height anomalies near Greenland. That's preventing blocking. And let's see. And then we go to the 9th. Oops. Models are jumping around a little bit. And you can see that where we have the trough moves inland, near to above normal heights across the central states. Now, our positive height anomalies here kind of slides to the east. This is a GFS. And then we take a look at the rest of the models. See, it still has a strong positive height anomalies here. Excuse me. And we still have our zone of flow. One of the models here, this is the European anomaly, shows a split flow in the west, but a zone of flow in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for a 30% chance of below normal precipitation for the central and northern Rockies, and also for the Tennessee Valley, the lower mid-Atlantic. And we have a chance of below normal precipitation, a greater chance of 50% or more across the southeast, and we have a 30% chance of above normal precipitation for the Great Lakes region. So that's a long range weather forecast session for November 27th through December 9th. Thanks for coming to Jim Mummy's World of Weather, and have a good day.